side it's almost like a whole pinky finger.
You're able to see this here looked like a hole. Yeah, it was us.
Yeah.
It's
okay, so it's not OEM.
somebody broke this and just tried to glue it here. So that's actually exactly what we're gonna do. Like the same that's what was on the inside of the bumper. It's not even that, it doesn't even stick well to the paint.
Hello everyone. Today we thought about removing the rear bumper and see what's wrong with it since it's hanging, as I told you guys.
Yeah, it's a bit of a gap.
Yeah, this side is much better.
Yeah.
I can almost not get a finger through, just like half like a nail. But on that side, it's almost like a whole pinky finger.
Yeah, you can see it's flexing a lot.
Yeah, yeah.
And we have tried to fix it before, once, just...
Yeah.
You can say, I would say about half the fasteners on this bumper is connected to the chassis.
Yeah.
And we tried to connect some more and we got it better. Because before it was like...
Yeah, it was all loose on this side as well.
Almost an inch.
Yeah, yeah.
Like 2.5 centimeters of gap.
Yeah.
We got it pretty good, but there's we think some of the fasteners are broken, so we're going to try to fix them.
Yeah, we know for sure that the one in the trunk on this side is broken for sure.
Yeah.
So we're going to try and see how many more.
And fix them.
Yeah.
And we're also going to remove the wing, the side skirts, and the front bumper, because the front bumper is getting an OE lip mounted to it, because now it has nothing.
Yeah, and it looks kind of stupid, to be honest.
It looks a little bit funky.
Yeah.
This is what I saw. Now if you're able to see, this here looked like a hole, but when I look close, it looks so shiny. It's because it's painted with clear coat underneath.
Yeah, I actually think so. Just do really some pressure.
Get there, right?
That's it, correct.
Oh, now we're getting space.
Ugly.
At least got it full. I'll get some wires and cut this stripe. Or was it us that put the stripe there because we couldn't get a bolt?
I think we put the
A few moments later.
stripe because I think the old bolt had snapped. In the fastening,
and we
correct?
didn't have a jack.
No.
Jack didn't have a jack.
Such a bad pun.
Yeah, he understood.
One eternity later.
Maybe that listens to me.
There we go, a long ass shit bolt. Look at the length of this thing. And it only needs to go about maybe this length.
Yeah, it was us.
Yeah. Okay, so it's not the way I'm at now.
No, because it's the same as these.
Aha. So where to blame again? speed.
Yeah. Here we go. This is why. This is why the bumper won't stay on.
Nope.
Because somebody broke this and just tried to glue it here. So that's actually exactly what we're gonna do.
Yeah, but without glue.
Yeah, we're gonna take some 80 grit or something to scuff up the plastic here, and we're gonna use epoxy glue
Yeah.
and repair it with.
And I just saw with this one as well.
Yeah, they use
It's like
they use some type
Yeah.
of epoxy.
how you're doing on this one as well. It's pretty loose, not fully, but pretty.
And
So let's see if
there
I can
should be
put
a
you
screw
down.
here in the bottom here.
Yeah,
Looks
exactly.
like to keep it on as well.
Yeah.
And also something it's supposed to be attached
Yeah.
down here.
Yeah.
Don't know what. That clip that I show you is attached to this
I
little
think
metal
these-
bracket.
These
And
brackets are broken.
that metal bracket is your arch lining is broken.
Yeah.
So we can try to repair that as well. Let's. Do you want to put it on? So guys, the camera cut the footage, but we got the rear bumper support off, and these are supposed to be glued to the bumper, and none of them are, and also we're missing one. So we're gonna make a new one of these from some sheet metal that we have here in the shop.
Yep.
Let's see if I can zoom out a little bit because it's so close.
Up close.
And sorry if the sound is a bit off now than in the clip before. The mics died.
Yep.
So hopefully it sounds okay
Yeah.
still.
It might be a little bit echoey, but
Yeah. And we're gonna try to take off the wing
Yep.
as well because it's also not attached properly.
No.
And Jack is about to attempt to take out this little cap here. Now your hand is in the way.
Can take it from this side, maybe.
So let's see. And we don't know how hard it sits, so we're just using a plastic pry bar. It
Yeah.
sounds like there's some double-sided adhesion underneath or something.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there is some glue here. Oh, it's the yeah.
It's completely glue attached.
Yeah. And there's one of the bolts holding the wing on. And it's not OEM if we say that much.
Yeah, it's a lot of glue that will need removing.
Yeah, it's a lot of glue. Yeah. We probably are gonna do the same to get it on.
Yeah.
Because we're probably not gonna be able to find new one of those.
No.
And if we do, we have to paint it, and it's a special paint color.
Yeah.
So
It's living hell on earth.
it's gonna get some Mansory glue.
Yeah.
We're gonna put you guys on the time lapse when we take the wing off, so you don't have to hear us jabbering about all the time. Now on to taking off this bumper and both of the side skirts here. So we can get the entire body kit off and fix everything that's wrong with it. As you can see here, the side skirts aren't held on very well, and yeah, it looks when the car is this nice finish, it's repainted for, I think it was about a year ago or 2 years ago, and it's sad to just see it's falling apart. So we're gonna fix that. So you guys have to follow along and hope you enjoy the content. As you can see behind me here, hopefully, the bumper and the side skirts are off. I also took out the crash bar right there. It wasn't even screwed in. It was just loosely fitted with 3 of 4 bolts. So that's, at least there were 3 bolts. It could have been none. And I also found a damage on the bumper. One of the brackets, or I shouldn't call it a bracket. It's this one here, holds the radiator. Holds the bumper to the subframe. It's this piece here. It's bendy like this, so yeah, as you can see, it's off. It's broken off there. So, a lot of stuff on this was not attached properly. Just like one of the side skirts was just with metal screws, just right through the sill. And some of them in broken clips. In the back it was a clip instead of a bolt, but yeah, here they are. Everything is whole. As you can see, this bumper here has all the attachment points. Oh, the side skirt has all the attachment points here. And this have 2 out of like 10. No, not 10, but 7 or 8. Yeah, we have to find a way to attach that good this time, because as you saw in the video, it was falling off. We have a few more adjustments and stuff to do on the car, like adjusting the driver door, because it's a little bit low and it's scraping in the sill. I can show you guys. As you can see here, it's touching here, so we have to adjust the door up a little bit, and we will show you guys that when we do that. That's it for this video, I think. Otherwise we just have to cut this out. And if you like the content we make, just please, if you like the content we make, like and subscribe, please. It helps us out tremendously. As you probably, when you're watching this, you can see we don't have many followers, but we haven't been doing this for a very long time. So, yeah. Oh, I forgot. I got one one more thing to show you guys before we end this video here, and that's this. It's still drying, but I made a new, from just some scrap metal from a fender. I made a new bumper, rear bumper. I don't know what to call it, but it's getting glued on to the bumper and attached to the rear support. Yeah, like I said, if you like what we do, like and subscribe and leave a comment, and I see you in the next one.